Falyn Fonoimoana is a famous and professional American beach volleyball player known for her goddess physique. She was born on March 13, 1992 at California. She is 6 foot 3 inches tall and plays the receiving attacking position. Falyn Fonoimoana has played for several clubs since 2010 such as USC Trojans, Orientales de Macao, Criollas de Caguas, Changas de Naranjito, and many more to go. Also, she is a part of Athletic Brewing Co., a pioneer in revolutionizing non-alcoholic craft beer. She promotes the drinks through her IG page. Personal info: Falyn's height is 6 feet 3 inches tall, according to Women Volleyball. Likewise, her weight is unclear now. She has a perfectly matching physique. Moreover, Falyn's current age is 29 years as of 2021. Specifically, she was born on the 13th of March in 1992. Instagram: Falyn Fonoimoana has a huge fan following on Instagram. She often shares her adventurous work on IG. She is also available on Facebook and Twitter with a good fan following.